Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Great. We are very happy today. We have delegates from Arunachal Pradesh, from Assam, Meghalaya, from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, a lot of states like Gujarat, Kerala. So I'll prefer to speak in English so that all our brothers, all delegates, brothers and sisters, it's easy for them. So a big round of applause for all the delegates who have come from the different parts of India. Thank you very much and a warm welcome to all of you. As a treasurer, I have been given the responsibility to present account statement. This I'll be presenting accounts for the last time. Most of you know me. I have been treasurer for this post for almost 20 years. I'm one of the founder members. My membership number is 4. So in the beginning, when 1988 Poultry Federation of India was formed, so I'm one of the founder members of that. And I have been given several responsibilities like executive committee member, vice president North Zone. Then I was treasurer for 12 years. I had opportunity to work with the great presidents like Mr. R.S. Sethi, Mr. B.M. Chadha sir, Mr. Shashi Kapoor ji. So we have been very fortunate and learned a lot of them. Then I was convener for 4 years. And then again, when Mr. Ramesh Khatri was president, I was made again treasurer. And then Mr. Bittu Dhanda was president, again I was treasurer. So I have been treasurer for almost 12 years with a gap of 4 years as a convener and then again 80 years. So it's almost 20 years. And thank you very much for all your love, affection and support to me and to Poultry Federation of India. Now we want the young generation should come forward. As we have seen in Poultry India, we have got stalwarts like Mr. Chakardhar Rao, Mr. Anil Dhumal, Mr. Harish Garware, but then also Poultry India brought young blood, young Mr. Uday. A big round of applause for Mr. Uday. He did an excellent job. This time, more than 40,000 visitors were there at Poultry India. So young generation, under the guidance of stalwart, they did an excellent job. So we also wanted that we should have also young blood. And Mr. Rahul Khatri, we requested him because Poultry Federation of India office is in Sonipat. Mr. Rahul Khatri lives in Sonipat. Our bank accounts in Sonipat, and so we requested, and Mr. Rahul Khatri has been kind enough to take this post. So big round of applause for Mr. Rahul Khatri. Can you stand up? But my core team, Mr. Dhanda sir, our president, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, vice president headquarters, Mr. Ramesh Khatri, our chairman sir, Mr. Ravinder Sandhu, they wanted me to as a core committee, and they have given me the new responsibility to be joint secretary so that I can do all correspondence work with the government, with the ministry, animal husbandry department, and I accept that post as for the joint secretary, and I look forward for all your support and cooperation as you have been giving me. Thank you. Now we come to present of accounts. We have got all statement of accounts is with us, and it's available at the registration counter. Mr. Jagdish, office manager, if anybody wants the registration, all the details for the balance sheet, annual details, annual report, accounts details, he can have. And if you want a brief summary, I can just give you about brief. At present, we have got a bank account in HDFC Bank and Bank of India. We have got a few FDs also, and our current balance is good. And for that, we are very much thankful to all our sponsors. So may I request a big round of applause for all the sponsors who have done excellent work. As our President Bittu sir and Mr. Ravinder Sandhu Secretary, sir, they briefed you that in 2025, we have got big plannings. We want to do, we have tied up with some social media companies for the regular campaign. We'll be also doing protein for all seminars in different parts of India. And for that also, we request all those sponsors to give us generous support so that we can organize such protein for all seminars in different parts of India. And from this platform, I request IPJA also, Indian Poultry Journalists Association, and IPMA, Indian Poultry Equipment Manufacturers Association, to be kind enough to support us for this cause of promotion of protein for all. Now the account detail is with us. As I mentioned earlier, anybody wants to have this copy of annual report, they can have from Mr. Jagdish, office manager. It's available at the registration counter also. And as a formality, we have to take the approval from the board and from the house to take it as a pass. So can I take this as a pass? Thank you very much. Thank you. And have a good day. Enjoy the day. Thank you.